Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Mixue ice cream and tea franchise business idea. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know from how Mixue started, business model, investment requirements, to what it takes to open your own franchise in the Philippines. Mixue Ice Cream and Tea, established in 1997 by Zhang Hongqiao in Henan, China, has become a prominent global brand specializing in ice cream and tea-based beverages. As of 2024, Mixue boasts over 46,000 franchise outlets worldwide, making it the largest fast food chain by store count, surpassing even Starbucks and McDonald's. For the product menus, they have ice cream, a variety of flavors and cone options, bubble tea, multiple tea bases with various toppings, fruit teas and beverages, refreshing options for health-conscious customers. Mixue offers a diverse menu tailored to various tastes, including mango sundae, boba sundae, fresh lemonade, creamy mango boba, mango smoothies, rose lychee ice cream, rose lychee mix ice cream, matcha ice cream toffee, rose lychee fruit milk, latte float, mocha float, hazelnut latte, matcha boba milk, strawberry milkshake, brown sugar pearl milk tea, supreme milk tea, Hawaiian fruit tea, peach Earl Grey tea, peach mango jasmine tea, and passion fruit jasmine tea. For the franchise packages and fees, investing in a Mixue franchise involves several financial considerations. Based on information from other Southeast Asian countries, the estimated initial investment ranges from approximately 300,000 pesos to 400,000 pesos. This investment typically covers royalty fees, an annual fee which varies by location, security deposit, a one-time deposit also varying by location, equipment cost, expenses for machinery and equipment necessary for store operations, initial stock, the cost of the first batch of raw materials, renovation cost, expenses related to store setup which can vary depending on the outlet size and location. For the franchise inclusions, franchisees benefit from a comprehensive support system, including professional site selection, assistance in choosing high-traffic locations to maximize profitability, training programs, comprehensive training for franchisees and their staff covering product preparation, customer service, and business management, marketing support, guidance in local advertising and promotional activities to build brand awareness, and operational assistance, ongoing support to ensure adherence to Mixue's standards and procedures. For the benefits of franchising, establish brand recognition, leverage a globally recognized brand with a loyal customer base, proven business model, benefit from Mixue's successful operational strategies and support systems. Comprehensive training and support. Receive extensive training and ongoing assistance to ensure business success. High profit potential. Tap into a profitable market with Mixue's popular and affordable products. For the franchisor support, Mixue is committed to supporting its franchisees through site feasibility studies, evaluating potential locations to ensure optimal performance, store design and renovation assistance, guidance in setting up a store that aligns with Mixue's brand standards, comprehensive training, programs covering all aspects of store operations, marketing and promotional support, assistance in attracting and retaining customers, ongoing operational guidance, continuous support to maintain high operational standards. For the application process, initial inquiry. Contact Mixue's franchise department to express interest and receive preliminary information. Application submission. Complete and submit the franchise application form along with necessary documentation. Site evaluation. Collaborate with Mixue's team to assess and select a suitable location. Franchise agreement. Review and sign the franchise agreement upon approval. Training and setup. Participate in training sessions and prepare the store for opening. Grand opening. Launch the store with support from Mixue's marketing and operational teams. For the Mixue's franchise conditions. Financial stability. Franchisees must show financial stability with enough funds for the initial investment, ongoing costs, and 6 months of working capital. Business experience. While experience in food and beverage is not required, basic business knowledge is recommended. The franchisor provides training, but a business background can help. Location approval. Success depends on location. Franchisees must choose sites with high foot traffic and visibility with franchisor guidance. Commitment to quality. Franchisees must maintain Mixue's high standards by following operational guidelines, recipes, and customer service protocols. Training and support. Franchisees must complete training covering product preparation, service, and management, ensuring they meet the brand's standards. For the contact information. For detailed information and inquiries, please contact the franchise department of Mixue Ice Cream and Tea. You can send them an email at mixuephilippines@gmail.com. You can call them on their mobile phone at 0962465599. You can visit their Instagram at mixue.ph and visit their TikTok page at mixue_Philippines. For the frequently asked question. Question number 1. Is prior business experience required? Answer. While not mandatory, prior business experience is beneficial. Mixue provides comprehensive training to equip franchisees with necessary skills. Question number 2. What is the expected return on investment or ROI? Answer. The break-even point is estimated between 8 to 12 months, with profitability influenced by factors like location, management, and market conditions. With its affordable franchise cost, strong brand recognition, and high profit potential, Mixue Ice Cream and Tea has become a popular choice for franchisees around the world. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the Mixue Ice Cream and Tea franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.